Welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you an online result web app, which is basically used to display the result of your exam to your students. Okay, so this result web app helps you to show your exam results to your student online or digitally. So how this web app work? Let me explain you. So first of all, when a student comes to this web app, he just select their class from the drop down. Okay, how these drop downs will come here, I will explain you later in this video. First, I will show you the demo. Okay, so enter your student's roll number. Your student enter their roll number. You can see here, I have a roll number 101 in A column. Okay, so right now you can see here the security verification, which is the CAPTCHA code. So you just need to enter your CAPTCHA code here, okay, and click on this view result. So when you click on this view result, now you can able to see your student successfully search the results and get their result. Okay, if your student want to make a print of their result, he can simply click on this print result. Now you can able to see the result of the print look like that. Okay, so now, if you want to make another search, you can simply click on this back to search. So when you click on this back to search, now you can able to see the searching box will appear in front of you. So now, for example, if I enter the wrong roll number and the wrong captcha code, now what happened? When I click on this view result, you can see here the captcha code is automatically changed and ask you to enter it again. So when I enter it again, and now you can able to see it will match both. If both are matched, then he proceed the loading. So when I click on this search, now you can see here no record found, invalid roll number for sheet results. Okay, for this class, invalid roll number. Okay, so you can see here the system is working correctly and fine. Now let me show you how this will be the setup. Okay, so now first of all, you can see here, here's the select your class and the drop down. How this drop down values comes here. So in your Google Sheet, now you can able to see we have two sheets. Okay, so for example, I will say this will be the class 1. Okay, I will give him a name. This will be the class 2. Okay, if I want to add a class 3, I can simply add here class 3. Okay, I just come here and just copy this A, Control C, and go to class 3 and paste it here and give him a name 105. Okay, now I am go to my web app and refresh my web application. So when I refresh my web application, now you can able to see the class 1, the class 2, and the class 3 is automatically comes in the drop down. Okay, I just select the class 3 and enter my roll number 105, and I just paste my captcha code here and click on this view result. So when I click on this view result, now you can able to see I am able to successfully search the results of the student. So for example, I will change this marks 70 here and now go back, and I just enter my captcha code here again and click on this view result. Now we will see if the value is changed or not. Okay, so you can see here the value is going to be successfully changed. So in your Google Sheet, in A column, your roll number, B column, the student name, in C column, the mother name, father name, registration number, ID card number, Aadhaar number, and English. Okay, so here's the main things come. So you can see here the theory, the practical, and the other activity, and the total. Okay, now you can able to see this will be calculated automatically. Okay, now the theory, practical, other activity, and total will be values comes from here. You can see here this four set. Okay, you can see here this H to K column is particular allocated to for a single subject. Okay, this is for the English. Now English theory comes in the theory section. Its marks. English practical comes in the practical section, and English other, you can see here other activity, and English total, you can see here the total of your English. Okay, right now you can see here this is not automatically calculation, so you can do it manually in your Google Sheet. Okay, so hope so you like this video. for you like this video, and this source code is absolutely free, available in the description. Okay, so you can go and check out in the description. So hope so you like it, and you will enjoy it. Thank you very much. Take care.